In this video, we're going to be discussing the volume and surface area of spheres. So here we have a sphere that has a radius of 8 meters. The radius being defined as the distance from the center of the sphere to any point on the surface of the sphere. So we know our radius is 8 meters, and our formula for the volume of a sphere is 4 times pi times the radius cubed divided by 3. So if we work this out, we're going to do 4 times pi times 8 cubed, all divided by 3. So 8 cubed gets us 512, times 4 gives us 2048 pi divided by 3. Now 2048 is not divisible by 3, so if we want to talk exact units, this would simply be my answer. 2048 pi divided by 3 meters cubed. Or, if we want to talk approximately, put this into a calculator and we get 2,144.66 meters cubed. So that's the formula that we need to apply. 4 times pi times r cubed divided by 3 to find the volume of a cylinder. For the surface area, the formula is very, very similar, just a little bit simpler. It's 4 again, times pi times the radius squared this time. Remember, you can always tell volume is surface area. Volume is cubed, surface area is squared. So, apply the formula. We say 4 times pi times 8 squared. 8 squared is 64 times pi gets us 256 pi meters squared. All right, so this is our exact unit answer. If we want to approximate that, that approximates to 804.25 meters squared. All right, so here are our two formulas that we need to apply to find the volume and the surface area of a sphere. So let's look at an application problem. In this problem, we have a basketball that has a diameter of 9.55 inches. The material used to make the basketball costs 5 cents per square inch. We want to know how much does it cost to manufacture one basketball. So once again, we need to figure out, is this a volume problem or is this a surface area problem? Well, we're talking about the material used to manufacture the basketball. So we need to think to ourselves, are we talking about the space inside the ball or are we talking about the ball itself? We think that we're talking about manufacturing the ball itself. That's the outside. We're talking about our surface area. We know our surface area formula is 4 times pi times r squared. All right. Now, this problem adds one extra layer of complexity in that they give us the diameter. All right. So if you remember back to circles, the diameter equals 2 times the radius. So to figure out what r is, we're simply going to take 9.55 and divide it by 2, which gets us 4.775. So our radius is 4.775 inches. So now we're going to take that, plug it into our surface area formula. 4 times pi times 4.775 squared. Multiply this all out, and we end up getting 91.2 pi. I should change this so that this is approximately 91.2 pi because I did some estimating in here. And then we want to figure out how much does it cost to manufacture one basketball. Well, we know that the basketball is made up of 91.2 pi inches squared of material. We know it costs 5 cents for each square inch. To find our answer, we take that and we multiply it by 0.05, and we get approximately $14.33. That's how much it costs to manufacture one basketball. So there you go. Now you know how to find the volume and surface area of a sphere and how to apply that to a real world problem.